Okay, this is just gonna be a quick little video. What you see on my desk here is a DIY, basically bass preamp. It has a weird mismatch of a Cyclone, OD-30 and TubeScreamer, and also a clean channel which can be blended in. I used to use a Peavey Mark 4, which has 2 channels, and one of which I had an OD-30 built into, but it's also a huge heavy monster, and I got sick of carrying it around even though it's a fantastic amp. So I sold it, which kind of hurt, but I replaced it with this, believe it or not. So this is exactly the dimensions of my Warwick Gnome bass amp, like so. Figured I might as well show instead of tell. And yeah, it just has an output here that plugs straight into the input of the Gnome amp. And the actual input of the Overdrive is on the side there, because if I had it on the front, it would fall over the knobs. It would be annoying, and on the back would be annoying as well. So figured the side was an unconventional but best solution. Hopefully that gives a bit of an idea what this is about. So I'm first gonna blend it all the way to clean. So that's the clean sound. And this is full the Overdrive channel. And usually I have it somewhere around here. A little bit more gain. Now, interestingly, because I use the OD-30 overdrive section, it actually already has kind of a clean and overdrive blend, because the gain knob actually also determines which frequencies are actually overdriven. Beautiful playing. So that's like an extra little tweak I can use. Let's blend it around this, maybe halfway. So yeah, this is my usual setting. Yeah, and well, that's all she wrote basically. Let's see if I can do kind of this. Maybe a little bit less. So yeah, just a short little video demonstrating this thing. It runs some batteries. It saves me hassle with power supplies and everything. And extra cables. And bigger videos coming soonish, once I'm a little bit less tired.